Hey guys! Remember in the previous episode of Tell Me More Amma, Dhriti seemed a bit uncomfortable, or may I say a bit jealous. Her mother offered her a solution. Let's see if it works or not. Continue watching.
Do you know about these two people? One is Narad and another one is Tumburu. Narad is supposed to be a storyteller, great musician. He roams around all the three lokas, okay, spreading wisdom, and he's the greatest devotee of Lord Vishnu.
Oh, is he the one who goes saying Narayana, Narayana?
Yes, he's the same one. Okay?
Oh.
Tumburu sings very, very beautifully, and Lord Vishnu, it seems, he got so impressed by him and he gave some of his jewels to him as a mark of respect.
Whoa.
This thing stuck Narada. He was thinking, okay, even I am a good singer. Why is that Vishnu never gave me any jewels? Why did he give it to him? So what Narada did, he went to Lord Shiva, it seems. Okay, he said, Lord Shiva, please teach me good music. I will learn everything. I'll go to Lord Vishnu and I'll take some of his jewels and I'll earn his respect, his praise. Shiva taught him. He learned good music. Already he is a good musician, but he was not happy. He learned music. After some years, he went there to Lord Vishnu and then he said, okay, now listen to me. He gave his bestest performance. Okay?
Bestest, oh my god.
Okay. But then Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi were not very impressed. Okay. They said it's good, but not as good as Tumburu. He was still furious. Okay. Green eye monster jealousy. So what he did? Again he practiced for many years, and this time he was confident. He went again. Okay. And he said, okay, now you listen to me. Okay.
Okay.
Again Lord Vishnu told the same thing. Okay. He was frustrated. Then he thought to himself, why is this happening to me? Okay. He asked someone there. I don't recall whom he contacted. Let's assume he spoke to Lord Shiva. Okay. Then he told him, why are you comparing yourself with Tumburu? Okay. Tumburu is also a good musician. You are also a good musician. Okay. When you do some healthy competition is okay, but you are furious with jealousy. That is not good. Because you are comparing always in your mind to it. Okay. You are always back of the mind, how will I overpower Tumburu? Okay. That is the reason you are not being able to do properly. Okay. So what did Narad do? For some more years, he practiced his music with lot of content and lot of dedication and devotion. Okay. Without comparing himself with Tumburu. And again he went to Lord Vishnu. He said, okay, what do you think about my performance now? Lord Vishnu said, your performance was up to the mark. Because this time your music didn't have jealousy.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, now I realize that healthy competition is very good. It motivates you to do something further, but it should be for a good cause, not because you want to just overpower that person. Yeah, have you ever felt jealous of anyone or anything?
Of course, who isn't? Sometimes even I feel jealous. Okay. When someone is doing better than me, when someone is achieving more than me, there used to be days when I used to feel like that, but not anymore. You know why?
Why?
Because I have my own path. I know what is good for me. Correct? I will do accordingly. If someone X, Y, Z gets this, someone X, Y, Z is able to reach somewhere, doesn't matter. Okay, I try and minimize my jealousy. Okay, there is a thin line of difference between
By the way, Amma, what were you asking when you just came back?
Oh yeah, I was asking you if we can do our Tell Me More Amma series.
Yeah, come, let's do it now.
We just did it.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye. This is the Sunidishta way of life. And also, in the beginning of the video, we had showed a very amazing dancer. It was a special feature of one of my very good friends, Deepshika Paul. She is one of the best dancers I know, and this I'm telling out of appreciation, not jealousy. Bye.